Good morning, Georgia Adventure here. Chilly today, wind's blowing. Wind been blowing about 20 miles an hour. I'm getting ready to go visit one crew this morning. I'm fixing to go see another one here in a little bit. So I thought I would start an open tag, and if you don't want to participate, hey, that's fine. That's fine. No big deal, but it's not going to be on a knife, believe it or not. It's going to be on a ink pen, your ink pens. It's going to be my EDC ink pens, open tag. My EDC ink pens, open tag. And you know, you can show what ink pens. You can do the small ones, you know, whatever you want to, even lead pencils, whatever you carry, with an ink pen or lead mechanical pencil, some type of writing instrument that you use or carry daily. And I carry a pen daily, and so that's why I wanted to kind of maybe throw something out there a little different, something besides knives, which, love knives, but like ink pens too. Ink pens are one of my favorite things too. So, if you want to participate, that's good. If not, hey, no hurt feelings. That's totally up to you. But so I'm gonna start with the one I have in my shirt pocket today, and it is a Parker. Everybody knows I like Parker Jotter. It's a Parker Jotter, stainless steel Parker Jotter. And my daughter got me this thing several years ago, and so I've been carrying it quite a bit. And it doesn't have to be a metal pen. It can be a plastic pen, just something you carry to write with. But this is a stainless steel Parker Jotter. And there's a distinctive pocket clip, the arrow pocket clip that's on Parker Jotters. I don't know of any other company that uses them. And so this pen is simple, stainless steel, and I got quite a few Parker Jotters, but this is probably my favorite. It is stainless steel, simple, durable, simple to maintain. Got the nice click. They write very well with the ink, the Parker ink. Now I do have a generic refill right here, and it does good. I got a deal on these, and I was curious to see how they'd write, and they write good. But it's a Parker style refill. You can tell by this and the way it's shaped. This pen's all stainless, comes apart. See up the barrel, stainless steel. See this part, the lower barrel. I mean, these are simple pens. And I don't know how much y'all write, but I write a lot. This is my daily planner here. I carry it. This is my logbook, my mileage logbook. I have to keep up with my mileage, so I write in this. And this is my crew visit books. So, yeah, I've got 3 notebooks for different things, but that helps me organize. So I use an ink pen a lot. I carry an ink pen every day. Even when I'm out messing around at the house, or me and Miss Linda's out gallivanting around on the weekend, I've got an ink pen on me. So something you can count on. I'm gonna have an ink pen, a knife, at least 2 knives, maybe 3, and I'm gonna have a little flashlight. And I'm gonna have my Knipex. So anyway, open tag, my EDC pens, My EDC Pens. That's the open tag. If you want to participate, that's great. But so I wanted to show you all this, and you can get these on Amazon, I think, for under 20 bucks. And I promise you, you'll love them. And they got an extra large size. This is a standard size jotter, but they've got an extra large size. So, you know, if you got even bigger hands, you know, you may want to get the XL. But these things write so great, man. I enjoy. And I also keep a journal. I write in a journal. I love to write in a journal. And if you write in a journal, you're leaving your family and friends, or your family, a history book, basically. And it's good therapy. It's good therapy. You know, and I do Bible devotionals, you know, stuff like that. So I've always got a pen. So anyway, my EDC pen, and that can be a pen, pencils, whatever. So, you know, just use your imagination. So anyway, I'm gonna load this one up and be open tag. And so if you want to participate, have at it. God bless you. Y'all have a great day, and appreciate you, man. Keep your blade sharp, keep your pen full. How about that? God bless you. Appreciate the knife community, and I know there's an ink pen community. Probably both one and the same, really. So God bless you.